What's up guys, my name is Sam. Today I'm unboxing the GoPro Hero 11 Black. This is my first GoPro ever, so I'm definitely excited to see what's inside of here. Just play around with it, get good content with it. I love to do travel, adventure type content, so excited to do this, excited to use this. I might start doing vlogs because why not? I have a GoPro. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you subscribe, like it if you want to. But yeah, guys, enjoy. Alright, let's open this up. First of all, it comes with a super cool and super useful kind of on-the-go case, and it's hard shell too, so that's going to be super awesome to travel with. It's got the GoPro logo right there too. It's zippered, so let's see what we got in here. Alright, awesome. So let me put this down here. So we have looks like the USB-C charging cable. Looks a little bit short, but it'll do the trick. Next we have, looks like the battery. So yeah, it looks like it's the Enduro GoPro battery, so I'm sure this guy will last us a good amount of time. This is my first GoPro, so it's going to be all testing for me, and but yeah, I'm excited to use this battery. It's going to last us a while. And then let's see what we got next. We have, looks like this guy is the buckle that goes on the bottom of the GoPro. If you want to mount it, or buckle and mount, I'm not sure what it's called, but one of those two. And then this is the adhesive mount. It looks like it's got some adhesive on there that you could probably mount to a helmet or a surfboard or wherever you're gonna put the GoPro. And then lastly, it looks like we have just the screw that goes into the mount when you are mounting it. All right, lastly, let's take out this guy right here, which is the GoPro 11. All right, it's got some tape on there, so let me take that off. All right, so this is the GoPro 11. It's got the on and off button right here for the power, and then there's the recording button right here. And then it looks like this is probably where you put, this is where you put in the battery and the SD card, and looks like that's where you charge it as well. Oh yeah, these are kind of the clips that you take out and where you're able to mount the GoPro itself. So yeah, this is just an unboxing video. I still have to dive into this, into the settings and everything. So I'm excited to play around with this. I'm excited to record with this. I might be doing some vlogs because I have a GoPro, so why not? Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and stick around and subscribe for more videos. Like I said, I'm probably going to be doing vlogs and things like that. So peace out, and thank you guys for watching.